And I've got an excellent cheats way of drawing a pterodactyl. OK, pay attention, please. Time for a spelling lesson. This is a pteranodon, one of the pterosaur family of dinosaurs. Now, strangely, when it comes to spelling, pteranodon is spelt with a P. P is for pteranodon. OK, spelling lesson over. Because when it comes to drawing, T is for pteranodon. Pteranodon. Now, don't worry. I'm not trying to get you sent to the bottom of the class. It's just that when it comes to drawing a pteranodon, think of the letter T, not P. Watch this. Draw a letter T leaning over at an angle. Then a slightly smaller one above it and a smaller one below it. And it's a good idea to draw them lightly at first, as these letter T's will be the skeleton shape to draw your pteranodon on. On the big T, just draw a long body with a pointy tail at the end. The top of the T is its arms with bony claws. And the top of the bottom T is its legs with clawed feet. The top T is a curved neck. The head is a flat egg shape, a sort of rugby ball shape. It has a long pointed beak at the front with an open mouth to look fierce. And a long pointy crest at the back of the head. And don't forget an eye and a nostril. Now the interesting bit. The pteranodon had a long, bony wing finger that extended out from each hand. So let's put that in. There we go. Curve these bones right out and then hang the skin on for the wings. And there's the shape of your pteranodon, all built on 3-letter T's, one on top of the other. Now to give it some shape and texture. Just hint at a rib cage. Now put some stretch creases on the wings going from the hands. And just shade it in brown. And just add hints of green shading. Add an orange eye, some black shading around the eye, and finally draw around something circular to create a sun. And a bit of mist to make it really atmospheric. And just hint at some prehistoric mountains, shrouded in the mists of time. And there he is, a pteranodon. So remember, you spell pteranodon with a P, but when it comes to drawing, T is for pteranodon.